Today, we're going to bring in iWatch bands, and these are genuine leather. We're going to take a look at the different colors. If you guys can see, this is like a pine green, and they give you a little sample of the leather or the type of leather. And this is the rough down end, and you can actually smell it. Genuine leather. Simple to install. We are going to install them and see how they look on the actual watch. But look at this is like a tan brown. You guys can see that. And then this is ivory white. So beautiful colors. This would make a great gift or just interchange them yourself. So they're separate, they're sold separately in various colors. And like I said, if you want to go get one for these for yourself, instead of going to the Apple store, it's even cheaper if you buy it through here, through the Amazon store. Inexpensive and a lot better material too. So we're going to actually install it in the way you do it on an actual watch if you never had installed it. So there is a button on the Apple Watch that you just got to push the button, and then you got to slide it. Once you push the button, you just slide it. There it goes. Slide it over, and that's it. We are going to clean the watch, of course, and we're just going to remember which side is which because for women it's another side, for men it's another side, so just make sure that you're aware. So we're going to put this one down here, and we are going to push the button again here and slide it out, and that's it. So we're going to go install the ivory one, and all you got to do is slide it in there. Once you remove the other one, it's very simple. That's one right there. We added one, and then we're just going to add the other one. Simple. Set up, beautiful watch. You guys can see that. It's all set up. That's the ivory one, right? This is the ivory color. All right, we just set up the tan one. Look how beautiful it looks on the actual watch, right? And if you wrap it around your hand, you can see the color of it. It kind of matches my skin on this one. So, all right, we got the last one, the pine green. Look how beautiful it looks. I like the style. Put it in your hand. See how beautiful it looks like. Pine green. Very simple, beautiful. Will make a great gift. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.